300,000 per illness ang
Yes, per
coverage.
illness.
Oh, ganda yan ha.
Yes.
So, unlimited consultation 24/7 pa anywhere in the Philippines.
Anywhere in the Philippines.
Executive check-up covered din siya.
Yes. Sabi nga, pag nagkasakit, doon nawawash out yung ating mga pinag-ipunan,
Yes.
yung ating savings, even investment.
May high blood, may sakit sa puso, covered ba yun? Yung mga family members nila, pwede na rin ma-insured.
Ayun
So,
ang kagandahan ng ating Maxi Plus program na hindi alam ng lahat. Kasi
bilang mga business owner o may-ari ng isang negosyo, maliit man yan o malaki mga ka-best finds, syempre hindi lang yung kita yung dapat nating iniisip, kundi yung kapakanan ng ating mga tao. Kasi sa mga panahong ma-hospital sila, magkasakit, o hindi naman pag talaga may aksidente na mangyari during work, ang unang lalapitan niyan ay yung may-ari ng negosyo. Kaya naman sa mga panahong katulad nito, dapat handa rin kayo bilang negosyante. Lahat ng detalye na yan ay i-discuss natin ngayon sa vlog na to. And I'm sure and I hope na marami na naman kayong matutunan. Nandito nga pala tayo ngayon sa Palapat dito sa Valenzuela mga ka-best finds at imimit natin yung tao na mag-e-explain sa inyo nito. At ang makakasama naman natin para sa vlog na ito mga ka-best finds ay si Miss Belle. At siya ngayon mag-e-explain sa atin regarding doon sa sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwede naman talaga nating protektahan ng ating mga empleyado. Kahit pa nga 3 lang sila o kaya pataas.
hi mga ka-best finds, it's me, Belle. Ito na naman tayo sa isang vlog regarding health insurance. By the way, last time na-vlog natin about prepaid plans, but this time, magpo-focus naman tayo sa health plan. Okay? Kasi ang dami kong inquiries actually regarding sa mga companies na they really need health insurance nowadays, no, for their employees.
Yes. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, Miss Belle, bilang mga employer, kay maliit o malaking negosyo man yan, mahalaga na iniisip natin yung kapakanan ng mga workers.
Tama.
No? Kasi sino bang lalapitan nila? Kunyari, ma-hospital sila. Diba? Kunyari, ma-aksidente sila. Wag naman, during work. Kasi ang dami nating nababalita ang ganyan, di ba? Nagpapatulfo. Kasi hindi sinasagot ng kumpanya. Dahil si company, walang kakayahan na sagutin. Dahil hindi covered yung kanyang mga empleyado.
Yes, oo. At marami rin ako nakausap na mga company owners, business owners na namomroblema, nai-stress. Even they have this existing health plan. The problem is yung availment process. Hirap mag-avail, mahirap magpa-approve. Basically, walang access sa mga networks ng existing health plan nila. So, today, we will offer you, I guess, one of the best health plans in the Philippines, which is MaxiCare.
Etong si MaxiCare naman kasi, kahit saan ka yata hospital na pumunta, makikita mo yung card ni MaxiCare.
Oh, well, actually, no. The good thing about MaxiCare, no, as it is established long time ago. It's been like 37 years in the business. When it comes to accessibility and innovations, nangunguna siya. When it comes to like networks, providers, talagang maasahan si MaxiCare.
Pero tama ba yung nakita ko sa Facebook page nyo na 3 employees lang pataas, pwede na nilang i-insure?
Exactly. Oh, ito nga yung mga minsan problema ng mga business owners. Kailangan maging malaki para magkaroon ng health insurance. No.
Yes. Hindi na ngayon.
No.
Okay.
With MaxiCare, we covered at least 3 to 9 employees and then 10 and above. Okay? Because I've experienced, no, meron akong mga clients na they decided to get or to cover their employees with health benefits dahil they have to take it out of their pocket. Imagine.
Oo.
Diba? Pag mga biglang aksidente, nagkasakit. And, you know, the sense of, do you want to keep your good employees? No? Do you want them to stay? Give them a good health benefit.
Pag-usapan natin, paano ba gawin yan? Ano ba yung mga requirements? Mako-cover ba lahat ng empleyado ko kung sakasakali? At ano yung mga magiging benepisyo sa kanila?
Okay.
Pag nag-MaxiCare sila.
Basically, bago tayo kumuha ng health plan, ang kailangan natin consider, ano bang coverage? Ano bang mga coverage
Correct.
kung kukunin namin health plan? Worth it ba ito?
Yes.
Okay. Basically, MaxiCare Plus program is a health care program that provides health and wellness program for employees or small to medium enterprise. MaxiCare Plus program kasi, it's a comprehensive plan for employees.
Okay.
Okay, so it includes outpatient care, yung consultation, laboratory tests, diagnostic procedures, and like EENT treatment, allergy testing. So, yung atin namang inpatient,
Dental kasama na rin.
yes, dental coverage is
Talaga? So
another
halos lahat
benefit.
kasi NT kasama rin.
Yes. We also have the inpatient care. Ito yung pag na-confine si member or si employee, okay, covered tayo ng MaxiCare. Emergency care, isa sa mga kino-consider talaga ng mga employers to. No? Once may
Yes.
emergency ang ating employee, it will be covered. Okay, it will be covered. And we also have this preventive care. Preventive care, this includes like the vaccines for animal bites, tetanus, yes.
So maganda pala yan kasi halos lahat na, comprehensive nga, no? Even dental kasama na sa coverage.
Yes,
Tapos
definitely.
yung mga empleyado mo pa, hindi sila matatakot na kahit may nararamdaman na, magpakonsulta sa hospital kasi covered naman din.
Exactly. And the good thing is, this program is hospital-based. So once you are a member, any nearest hospital, accredited clinic, hospital, you will be covered.
O, yan pa. Itatanong ko sa yan. Kasi marami rin ka-best finds na nagtatanong. Pa isa-isa nga eh. Okay, covered ba yung gantong hospital? Covered ba yung ganto? Paano ba yun? Ilang hospitals ba ang covered yan?
Actually, you don't have to worry about the accessibility pagdating sa ating providers because we have 1,500 hospitals and providers nationwide.
O, kahit saang hospital na yun, pwede sila magpa-consult lang.
Yes, as long as it's accredited.
Bel, ganito. Kunyari yung empleyado ko, may matanda, may bata, alam mo yun, diverse. Paano yun? Lahat ba sila pwedeng i-cover?
For our enrollees age eligibility, we can enroll at least 18 to 65 years old. And the good thing is we can also enroll our dependents. For adult dependents, 18 to 65 years old. And for the minor dependents, at least 15 days old up to 23 years old.
Oh, that's nice. So, ibig sabihin, kunyari, in-enroll nyo yung inyong empleyado, kahit yung mga family members nila, pwede na ring ma-insured. Paano, Miss Bell, for example, yung isa sa mga employees ko, merong pre-existing condition na tinatawag. Kunyari, may high blood, may sakit sa puso, covered ba yun?
The good thing about this MaxiCare Plus program, no, when we enroll at least 10 enrollees, whatever the maximum benefit limit of that particular employee, the pre-existing condition will be covered. For example, ang enrollee natin has a maximum benefit limit of 300,000.
Okay.
So when it comes to his pre-existing condition, that is covered up to 300,000, and that is per illness.
So, 300,000 per illness ang
Yes, per
coverage.
illness.
Oh, ang ganda yan, ha?
Yes. Ayun
So,
ang kagandahan ng ating Maxi Plus program na hindi alam ng lahat. Kasi alam nila, mahal si MaxiCare, ganito. Pero
Additional gastos,
tingnan
yung mga
natin
ganun.
yung value
Yes.
nung binibili nating health plan.
Pero I think, Miss Bell, mas marami na sa mga kabayan natin ngayon ang nagiging open talaga pagdating sa insurance. Kasi alam naman natin yung feeling na, ay, na-hospital ka, tapos hindi mo alam kung kanino ka mangungutang kasi wala kang pambayad. O kaya na kailangan mong isanla yung mga ari-arian mo or ibenta ng madalian sa murang halaga kasi kailangan mong pantustos sa pagpapahospital, di ba?
Let's think that health is an investment. Di ba sabi nga, pag nagkasakit, din nawawash out yung ating mga pinag-ipunan,
Yes.
yung ating savings, even investment. Aside from the benefits that I've mentioned earlier, meron din po tayong mga additional benefits that we can add on. Like the benefits for cancer patients, dental benefit, accidental death and dismemberment or the life insurance coverage. Also have the annual checkup and executive checkup.
Executive check-up, covered din siya.
Yes. Wala na talaga yung problemahin pagka nag-sign up kayo for MaxiCare Plus program dahil halos kompleto na po yung ating benefits for our employees. For the consultation po, no, sometimes we're not feeling well or tinatamad tayong pumunta sa ating sa mga hospital or primary care clinics. Don't worry, no po, kasi we have this teleconsult hotline. So you can have your consultation done from the comfort of your home.
Oh,
We also
nice
have this
yan.
video consult,
Oo.
the Doctor Anywhere app. As a member, we can enjoy this benefit po. Doctor Anywhere app, this is a video consult telemedicine.
Okay. Ay, nagagamit ko yung teleconsult. Yung video calling. Kasi kunyari, yung baby mo, may Makati, Di ba? Hindi mo alam kung allergy o ano man. So, pwede kayo mag-video call nung doctor without going to the hospital.
Exactly,
Tapos
oo.
ma-assess niya.
Lalo kasi mga bata, minsan ayaw talaga nila, may tantrums. Pwede na doon. Tsaka the good thing about this, after the consultation, bibigyan ka ng prescription. You can also have, kung merong laboratory test, isisend nila yon sa email mo.
Oo.
And the good thing about this, take note, wala po itong bawas sa ating benefit limit.
Oh, nice. And limitless to. Unlimited.
Unlimited, 24/7.
So, unlimited consultation, 24/7 pa, anywhere in the Philippines.
Anywhere in the Philippines. Kasi ang ating number naman ay mobile number, the smart hotline number.
Oh, nice. Okay, kanina Miss Belle, nabanggit ko sa'yo na ang dami talagang accredited hospital ni MaxiCare. At sabi mo nga, over 1,500 hospitals. Yung
Yes,
cover niya all over the country to, ah.
Yes.
Oh, pero meron ako mga nakikita kasi na parang mga center sila, parang mga buildings, yung iba sa
Okay.
Makati, tapos may nakalagay na malaking MaxiCare. Ano ba yun?
Actually, we call this primary care clinics.
Oh, clinic pala yung kala ko office.
Clinic. Kasi ang gaganda
Okay.
talaga ng mga, ating
Yes,
mga primary
oo.
care centers at napakarami na natin ngayong primary care centers.
Correct.
No? These are MaxiCare owned clinics. So it means exclusive for MaxiCare members only.
Ah,
So expect
okay.
na walang line, hindi congested like other providers na 'di ba minsan pupunta sila iba't ibang HMO providers or members ang nandoon.
So yung mga clinics na yun, exclusive lang talaga for MaxiCare members.
Exactly.
At kahit ikaw ay empleyado lang na cover ng isang maliit na negosyante, pwede kang pumunta ron sa magandang clinics na yan.
Exactly. Oo.
Nice.
And the good,
Yung
at
nakita
the
ko.
moment, we have more than 30 primary care clinics.
Kahit ba sa provinces, meron itong mga primary health cares na to.
Yes, and we are expanding actually, no. So just to give you an idea, sa Luzon we have in Makati, San Juan, we have few branches in Quezon City. We also have in Baguio,
Aha.
Pampanga, Pasay, Laguna, and Alabang. In Visayas, we have 2 in Cebu, Iloilo, and Bacolod. And in Mindanao, we also have in Davao and Cagayan de Oro. And the good thing about this, meron tayong mga newly open PCCs or primary care clinics.
Ang dami na
Sa
talaga.
Tapos, and 2 in Bulacan, the most requested area in Bulacan.
Oo.
In San Jose del Monte and in Malolos, Bulacan. The good thing about primary care center, when the member goes to primary care center, it will be zero charges.
Ano sabihin nung zero charges?
Okay, di ba binabawas sa limit? Every time we visit a doctor, we do consultation, may limit ang bawat member. But when you go to primary care clinic, it will be zero charges.
So, hindi nababawasan yung limit ng insurance mo.
Uh,
Oh, nice.
yes, kaya maximize po ang ating mga primary care centers at napakaganda po ng ating primary
Baka
care
naman
centers.
mahirap pumila, mahirap magpa-schedule.
No, actually, di ba nga, normally, doon sa mga may HMO na, we always have to have this letter of authorization na kailangan natin i-present. Pero pag dito sa primary care center, we can go walk-in. We can just call for the availability of the schedule of the doctors or specialists. And meron na rin tayong link, Google form that's very easy to fill in. You can just go to the clinic and avail the consultation or laboratory test. Aside from primary care centers, dagdagan na natin ng Miss Best Find. So meron din tayong tinatawag ng mga MaxiCare Wings.
Wings?
Yes, this is an entire floor in the hospital na pag nagpa-check up ka and then you need to be confined or, sa hospital, straight na yon. So it's hassle-free. But the areas that we have right now are in Makati Medical Center, Victor Potenciano Medical Center, and Manila Medical Doctors, and in Davao Medical City.
Exclusive for MaxiCare members.
Members.
Ano
Di ba
pala,
normally
no?
pag nagpapa-check up, tapos di ba may admitting, like order na magpapa-confine, ayun right away, wala nang schedule. Kailangan mo i-confine from consultation, i-confine right there. You can have it like consultation straight to confinement.
O kunyari naman, Miss Belle, ako ay nakatira sa Bulacan at doon ang aking employer. Siya yung nag-enroll sa akin sa MaxiCare. Pero gusto ko na magpapakonsult and alam ko mako-confine ako. Gusto kong pumunta ng Makati Med. Pwede ba yun?
Pwede.
Pwede. So sa mga employer naman, once na pinamember ko yung aking mga empleyado, bibigyan ba sila tagi-tagisa ng card? Paano ba yun?
Exactly, yes. We call this multifunction card.
Physical card.
Physical card. Once a member, makaka-receive po sila ng ating multifunction card. Ito yung blue card. Sinabing MaxiCare member, meron kang blue card.
Blue card.
This card po is serves as a cash card, health card, and a privilege card.
Cash card? Bakit cash card?
Cash card kasi para siyang ATM card, no? There are times nagkakaroon tayo reimbursement from MaxiCare. dito siya pumapasok, yung amount.
Doon na rin nila kinukuha.
Yes, you can just withdraw the amount from any Equicom ATM bank.
Kailan nagkakaroon ng reimbursement?
And for example, may emergency case.
Okay.
At emergency, wala tayong pag-uusapan dyan. Dinala sa non-accredited hospital. Pwede natin i-reimburse yung amount na yun. Of course, we just need to secure some documents po. Magdating
Galing
po
naman.
dyan. Okay.
So, maganda pala yun, Miss Bell, ano? Kasi, kunyari, ma-hospital ka, ang bill mo, 100,000. Minsan, ganun, hindi mo na talaga alam kung saan mo kukunin yun, no? Pero, pag covered ka ng MaxiCare at 300,000 yung benefit mo, for example, covered niya lahat.
Yes.
So, paano naman yung sinasabi ng ibang employer, no? Ay, kunyari, meron akong isang empleyado na madisgrasya. Okay lang, babayaran ko na lang kaysa magbayad ako ng monthly for the whole team.
Oh, actually meron. Meron talaga mga empleyado na hindi naman magkakasakit, hindi naman may emergency.
Oo.
Healthy naman silang lahat. Yun nga po, hindi natin masasabing panahon. Like, we experience COVID, you know that, right? Paano po kung halimbawa, yung isa kaya mong bayaran, pero kung 20 empleyado sabay-sabay po, nagkasakit or hindi natin malaman. So, lahat po yun, kukunin natin sa ating
Mga
own
nasusunog na factories, diba, na hindi covered ang mga empleyado nila.
Exactly, opo. Lagi nating isipin, wala po tayong talo talaga sa pagkuha ng HMO para sa ating employees.
Marami nga actually mga employers na nagsasabi, may PhilHealth naman, hindi na namin kailangan ng health insurance. But take note of this, PhilHealth will only cover the portion of the hospital bill and the rest must be out of your pocket. Imagine kung wala po tayong health insurance, babayaran natin yon kasi maliit lang po talaga ang portion na kino-cover ng PhilHealth.
Mapapansin natin sa ibang companies, sino yung mga empleyadong nagstay, sila yung may mga health benefit coverage.
Yes.
I have a friend po, kahit pagod na siya sa BPO company, she
Oo.
stays.
Because
Kasi
of the
covered yung
insurance.
wala siya, hassle-free talaga na nagkakasakit yung anak niya, asawa niya. Kasi yun yung lagi natin, di ba, nag-work tayo kasi mamaya may emergency, magkasakit dito, at least meron tayong bubunutin. Pero pag meron tayong health insurance, alam na natin na tayo, kampante.
Oo.
Sabi nga yung, ulit-ulit natin sasabihin, peace of mind. Yun
Yes.
talaga yun eh. So, kaya maganda pa rin po talagang may health insurance. Tsaka the good thing about group plan, mas mura po talaga. Mas mura po talaga kaysa kumuha ng individual plan. Lalo't alam mo namang qualified po ang ating company, ang ating business for health insurance. Why not? Sa experience ko as the MaxiCare consultant for quite few years now, marami akong mga clients na galing sa corporate, nag-resign or naging work from home. Hindi talaga sila mapakaling, wala silang mga HMO or health insurance coverage. They still apply for their own health insurance coverage, particularly with MaxiCare. Bakit? Kasi they've experienced yung ganda ng plan, ganda ng benefits and coverage ng MaxiCare.
Kasi they know na, no?
Yeah, they know how, paano gamitin, kung gaano kabilis mag-approve, kung gaano ka-accessible, kung gaano yung innovations na meron si MaxiCare.
Wait, Miss Bella, kanina nabanggit mo na para magpa-consult sila, kailangan nila ng LOA. Baka naman napaka-matrabaho niyan, complicated na kumuha.
Actually, lahat ng HMO, you need to secure an LOA. It stands for Letter of Authorization. Whether you're going for consultation, laboratory test, kailangan po natin ng LOA. No? So, with MaxiCare, it's very easy. Once a member, meron po tayong tinatawag na member gateway. So, this is a portal exclusive for MaxiCare members wherein magsa-sign up lang po tayo, mag-register, I mean. So, once register po, we can generate letter of authorization there. No, we just have to fill in information there. Tapos, makikita na natin kung ma-approve tayo. Kasi within 24 hours, pagka nag-secure tayong letter of authorization, magsasend si MaxiCare within 24 hours ng confirmation for the letter of authorization.
Alam ko na yan sinasabi mo. Actually, mas maganda pala ngayon. Kasi dati, mga ka-best finds, kailangan mong pumunta sa hospital, itatawag nila,
Exactly.
maghihintay ka, tapos sasabihin sa'yo, ay, hindi po covered. Di ba? Yung mga gano'n, no? So, ngayon, right then and there pala mga ka-best finds, high-tech na talaga ang panahon natin ngayon, no? Makikita mo na, okay, approve ka, pwede ka lang dumiretso sa hospital.
Oo, and this is valid also yung letter of authorization natin for 72 hours. So, nag-generate ka, di ba minsan, kinabukasan kailangan mong-generate kasi expired na. But this is valid for 72 hours.
Paano yung pag binigay niyo yung cards, ina-explain naman sa lahat ng members? You do that?
Oh, by the way, no, pagka nagpa-sign up na po tayo, once you decided po talaga na i-cover yung ating mga empleyado, and then member na, then we also conduct this benefit orientation. At first, yung mga may-ari muna po, kayong mga business owner, explain natin yung benefits. So pag convince na po kayo at gusto niyo na mag-sign up, yung empleyado po natin, i-orient po natin sila.
Okay, so I'm sure, Miss Bell, ang daming naging interesado ngayon ng mga employers na gusto talaga secured din yung kanilang mga empleyado. So, paano ba? Ano bang requirements para ma-enroll ko sila ng insurance?
Okay, para po sa mga interested, sa ating mga nagsisimula pa lang mga negosyo, sa ating mga all business owners, even the mga HR personnel, tsaka HR managers, kasi mostly sila po yung kumukontak sa amin at nagtatanong ano po ba yung best health plan for their employees. First, we have to check your BIR 2303 para po malaman po natin yung nature of business. We also need this master list na kailangan nyo i-fill out at saka client information form. Once submitted, we will send you the conforme letter. Also, we will be needing some KYC requirements. Okay, once more ka-Best Finds, we encourage all business owners, all HR managers, HR personnel sa nag-iisip or nagpaplanong kumuha ng health plan for their employees. Let's give our employees the benefit that they deserve. And one of these would be the HMO or Health Maintenance Organization. And also, I would like to also encourage everyone kung hindi naman po tayo pasok sa budget pagdating sa ating mga individual plans. We also offer, by the way, individual and family plans. We also offer prepaid plans. As usual, yung ating pinakamabenta plan ngayon na ating prepaid plan. Before we have this E-Ready and E-Ready Advance, ngayon po meron po tayong Lifesaver for 2,299 and Lifesaver Plus for 6,999. Almost same din po ang coverage nito. So just click the link po na dito sa page na to. Pwede niyo po makita yung full details ng ating mga prepaid plan. Also, we also have Prima Gold. Huwag po natin kalimutan si Prima Gold. Napakaganda po nito. This is only 16,888 unlimited consultation, laboratory tests, and diagnostic procedures. Valid for 1 year po. But it's a card for all ages with unlimited consultation and laboratory tests. Also with dental coverage, insurance coverage, and a lot more. So,
That's nice.
Yes. Just let me know for more details. You can contact me or you can go to the link. You may see the full details and you can purchase from there.
Okay, yung Prima Gold, pwede yan sa mga parents.
Yes, all ages po. From 0 to 100.
Really? O, 0 to 100, pwede nyo pang ipa-insure ng inyong mga parents. So, ayan mga ka-Best Finds, I hope na marami kayo natutunan sa ating vlog ngayon. Again, health is an investment. Again, lahat ng contact details nila Miss Bell, MaxiCare being one of the biggest, one of the oldest health insurance company in the Philippines, i-share po natin sa ating description at sa comment section. Sa mga ibang details po na hindi pa natin na-discuss sa vlog na to, pwede nyo po silang kontakin for clarification, inquiries, kahit mag-inquire lang, pwede naman.
Yes, definitely.
Kahit magpa-quote lang, pwede
Opo.
naman.
Pwede po.
Ayan. Please don't forget to like the video mga ka-Best Finds. I-share nyo na rin po. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po kayo updated pag may mga Best Finds tayo katulad nito. And we'll see you again next week, ka-Best Finds. God bless po.